Job searching can often feel like navigating a chaotic maze. Juggling multiple applications, deadlines, and follow-ups can quickly become overwhelming. Without a solid system in place, valuable opportunities can slip away, leaving you feeling stressed and discouraged. What happens when a company follows up weeks later and you can't find the original job description? Or you don't hear back about a role and lose track of where you applied? Staying organized with a system to track your tailored applications can save you from these all too common headaches. We all know that generic applications often fail to make an impression. Customizing your CV and cover letter for each position is crucial. It's important to include relevant skills and incorporate specific job-related keywords to grab the employer's attention. Consider the industry you're applying to. A tailored application for a tech role differs from one in hospitality. Customization shows your genuine interest and increases your chances of success. So, how do you stay on top of multiple tailored applications? Imagine having a centralized system to track your job applications. Whether it's a spreadsheet, notebook, or digital tool, this tracker becomes your job search command center, keeping everything in one place. Your tracker should include job titles, companies, deadlines, and follow-up actions. This simple approach can transform your job search, making it more efficient and less stressful. Set clear career goals to guide your search. Networking and follow-ups are key to landing interviews. Stay persistent and remember, every rejection is a step closer to your dream job. By organizing your job search, you'll navigate the job market with confidence. Take control today. Start your job application tracker and tailor your applications. Your dream job awaits.